But probably the messiest, the toughest ones were getting people that jumped off the dam. They'd slide down the dam and there's those little things sticking out. They'd hit, bounce around, hit those all the way down. And then on top of the powerhouse, along the dam, there's like a 4 or 5 foot wall, stone wall that's about a foot or two thick. And so they take you up through the dam, in the elevator, down through the dam, right by the turbines and all everything, and then go up through the power room, then you go up along and then there was an elevator that would take you up to the roof. So they'd take us up to the roof, and we always took a body bag when we went to the dam. You'd think, well, why didn't you use a body bag? Well, they were expensive, and so we only used them when we really needed them. So we'd always take 2 of us and go over there, and we'd put the gurney right alongside that wall, because on the other side of the wall there was kind of like a little gutter and a little place where water would go underneath. I don't know how it worked, but anyway, you'd go over as close to the body as you'd get, take the bag out, and it was like every bone in their body was broken. It was like a sack of jello or something in human shape. And you just kind of scoot them over into the bag and zip it up. And then once you had them in the bag, you could put it up on top of the wall and then climb over the wall, then put it on the gurney. And that was a real experience to pick those ones up off the dam. And I probably did that once every couple of years. I went down there at the Park Service and did that. It was a sad thing. People commit suicide and then climb up and jump off the dam. I don't know if they do it anymore now. They put barriers and stuff up, but I imagine you can still do it if you really wanted to.